What's up, guys? Today we're going to be working on the Corrado on these turn signals. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know I've been having lots of issues with them. For some reason they're just coming on by themselves, and even when there's no key they just start flickering or flashing, or sometimes they're solid. So yeah, we're going to be messing with that. So the problem with electrical problems is that sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't do it. So hopefully it does it today so that we actually know, because last time we thought we fixed it and then it came back again later. So yeah, we'll see. We can get this figured out, because it's really a pain not having turn signals and it's not legal. So yeah, try and get this figured out and show you guys in a little while what we're doing, and hopefully we can get something figured out. Catch you guys later. Alrighty guys, so I think we got the turn signal situation figured out. So right here, this is the cruise control, this is the alarm. I accidentally pulled out the cruise control first, so don't do that. But I did delete the alarm, and we're really sure that's what it is, because as soon as I unplugged it, the turn signals just went off and they've been good. So then the only thing that you have to do then is, see this right here, the alarm goes straight up in there, that box there, and then you just have these two plugs, and then you just have to put this hook these two red wires together, because these are for the starter, so it doesn't allow you to start the car. But that's all you have to do, and that works great. So I think that's all we had to do. So we'll take it for a drive yet and see what happens. So good, guys. I just be driving, sometimes it'd be solid, sometimes it just flicker kind of back and forth, and just sometimes just randomly flash. And whenever it would do that, I would just totally lose control and wouldn't be able to use the turn signals. But right now I have full use of the turn signals and they're off. So yeah, all I have to do is delete that factory alarm, which to me there's no point in that factory alarm because they're junk and everyone has issues anyhow. So if you're thinking about deleting yours, I would totally recommend it, because yeah, it's just a piece of junk. But nothing sounds like a VR, just saying. Cruise controller on. Torque steer. They're still working. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys later in the week for some more Corrado fun.